Good day and welcome to today's MecadMinute. When opening a file inside of Solidworks, have you ever seen this message before? This means that this is an old Solidworks file and was last saved in that specified version. If I click on Save Now, it will just upgrade the file to the current version of Solidworks that I'm now working in. But how can I check in which version of Solidworks it was actually last saved in? Well, SolidWorks added a property back in 2015 to Windows Explorer for SolidWorks files that enables us to view the last saved version. If we go to Windows Explorer, all we have to do is activate a column. You need to right-click on an existing column, select the More option, and then scroll down to the bottom to a column called the SW Last Saved With. If I activate that, you will notice that we can now see in what version of SolidWorks the file was last saved in. Alternatively, you can right-click on any SolidWorks file, select Properties, then select the Details tab, and here you can also see the SW last saved description. You can do something similar in PDM, where you can add a variable called SolidWorks model version to your data card. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.